Hey, welcome back, my fellow investors. This is me, ET, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to talk about ways to increase one's net worth. In today's video, guys, I'm excited about this one because I'm going to talk to you about my top three penny stocks. Now, penny stocks are high risk, high reward, so keep that in mind. Now, the three stocks that I'm going to play is going to be a crypto mining company, a biopharmaceutical company, and a blockchain slash fintech company. Now, I have about $14,000 invested in all three, between these three companies. Not in every one, but within these three companies. Now, don't panic. This is just a very small portion of my portfolio. Something for me to have a little fun with. But I want everyone to understand that penny stocks are high risk plays. Now, the definition of a penny stock, the financial definition of a penny stock, is any stock that is $5 or below. So let's take a look at my top three penny stocks. First company of my top three penny stock companies is SOS Limited. This here is a crypto mining play. It is a company that's out of China. And because of everything that's going on in China, we already know that the government there in China is cracking down on cryptocurrency as well as crypto mining. One of the things I like about this company that really caught my attention is the fact that they're moving their operations to Niagara, Wisconsin. Now, their main business in China is actually here. If you take a look at the website, you'll see that they're in internet insurance services, vehicle rescue services, and so forth. But one of the things they recently started doing is they started mining for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And because that's been so successful and the Chinese government is cracking down, they're moving their operations uh, to Wisconsin. And here is the press release for that. SOS Limited entered into a joint venture agreement with Niagara Development and accelerates its blockchain operations in the United States. So they're moving that operations to the United States, which is a very good thing. Let's take a look at the price action for SOS. As of this recording, it is sitting at $2.92 per share. If you look at this here, this is a 1 year history. You see that at the height, it was at $15.88. A couple of things that I really like about this company and the reason why I'm investing. Even though there was a Hindenburg article that really questioned the validity of this company. Number one, they're moving their crypto mining operations to the United States. Number two, this is a profitable company, even though it's in China. They have earnings. This is their earnings per share and their PE ratio. PE ratio is a little high there, but that's okay. They're making money. And you're looking at here, they have institutional investors involved with them. The short interest is very, very low. So my number one play when it comes to penny stocks right now is SOS Limited. Now, the second company that is going to that made my top three is Hepion Pharmaceutical. This is a biopharmaceutical play. Hepion, this here is the the homepage. Their ticker symbol is HEPA. And what they're doing is they're tackling the chronic liver disease. Now, chronic liver disease leads to cancer, cirrhosis, and failure of the liver. And the drug that they have here is CRV431. Now, this particular drug and method that they're going to use to treat chronic liver disease has already passed phase one. It's about 60% complete with phase two. Once that's done, they're going to enter into the very last phase, which is in phase three. Now, here is the price action for Hepion. Hepion here, as you can see, the 1-year chart here shows that it was at a high of $4.83. Since then, it's been going down. But I want you to take a look at a couple things. Look at the 5-year chart. I'm sorry, the 3-year chart. Now look at the 5-year chart. One of the things you're going to notice is that all these charts, 5-year, downward slope, 3-year, downward slope, 1-year, downward slope. But one of the things you're going to find out is that it appears that the bottom is right around that $1.50 mark. And so this stock is definitely trading at the bottom. I think that once it makes it through all of these phases, we're going to definitely see a pop. Now, one of the reasons why I also chose this one and also SOS Limited as my top 3 is because both of them are optionable. They have options associated with it. Hepion, here's the options chain. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swing trade the stock, but also I'm going to buy enough so that way I can write covered calls off of it as well. So that kind of gives you an idea of what my plans are when it comes to Hepion and also SOS. And go back to SOS. As you can see here, it is an optional as well. So I like those two things. It's trading towards the bottom. It's optionable. Hey, I can get some money on the upside, and also I can generate some income in between. Now, my third, and this is by far my favorite company, is HUMBL. HMBL is the ticker. Now, HUMBL here is a combination of blockchain / fintech play. They have 3 primary platforms: mobile pay, the marketplace, and the HUMBL financials. Now, to get a perspective of what this is, what HUMBL is all about, all of their technology is set up on the blockchain. They're a leader when it comes to blockchain technology. All right, this here is a diagram of their blockchain tokenization. Everything that they have, the mobile pay, that's going to be peer-to-peer, paying merchants and so forth. It's going to be sitting on blockchain technology. Ticketing, buying tickets, going to concerts, and then turning around and possibly getting NFTs for, concert events, your ticketing and so forth, all set on blockchain technology. Financial services, they're offering ETXs. ETXs is the same thing as an ETF. The difference is an ETX is really a portfolio of cryptocurrencies, and they're just now getting into the real estate game. So I think that this here is a future of all of those 3 stocks. This one right here is my buy and hold long-term play. I'm in the process of definitely accumulating shares when it comes to HUMBL. Let's look at the price history. All right, here we go. As of this recording, here's the current price history of HUMBL. Now, HUMBL started back in November of 2020. As you can see, it hit a high of $7.72, and now it's really around that dollar mark. That's where it's finding some current support. But I can tell you that as the financial starts to come out on a quarter-by-quarter basis, you're going to see tremendous growth. And once you see that growth, that's going to be illustrated in the financials, you'll see the price adjust accordingly, and that means going up.
Come on now.
That's right. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe buttons, followed by that notification button. That'll help out the channel. Thanks.
So there you have it, my top 3 penny stocks. And, well, my favorite of those, the one that's a buy and hold long term, is HUMBL. If you guys are interested in learning more about HUMBL, I have a whole video. I've been doing at least weekly videos on HUMBL for about the last 3 months. So go ahead and check out my playlist, and it's going to be entitled HUMBL, to take a look at all the previous videos to learn more about what's been going on within the company. Now, in addition to all of that, what I'll do is with these top 3 penny stock plays, I'll update this on a monthly basis to let you know exactly what's going on, whether I bought, sold, how much money I'm making in them, and so forth. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to keep up with what's going on with these top 3 penny stocks. Now, I know that a lot of people are probably wondering why penny stocks. You hear a lot of investors that keep away from penny stocks. I like penny stocks mainly because it's fun, it's painful. You know, almost like that, what's the name of that group? Frankie Beverly and Mays song, Joy and Pain, Joy and Pain, like sunshine and rain. Don't get me started, I'll start drinking. But, you know, it's fun, it's painful. Overall, that's exciting, you know. As they say, variety is the spice of life. I'm just trying to keep, my equity investing exciting for me. All right. With all that being said, guys, just remember 3 things. You got to save. Everything starts with saving. You got to invest. Put your money to work. And you have to apply what you know, because knowledge is not power. It's the application of that knowledge that's power. Hey guys, I will see you on the update of my top 3 penny stocks. You guys take care. Bye-bye.